Next, we have inconsistent casing. DataSquirrel standardizes, firstly identifies, of course, and then standardizes text casings for maintaining uniform labels. For example, you might have some values in all capital letters and the others in lowercase for a specific column. To ensure visual consistency and appeal in your reports, this cleaning type standardizes the casing. By cleaning the dataset, DataSquirrel ensures all entries are uniform, improving the overall presentation of your analysis. Let's look at our data here. For example, candidates designation. DataSquirrel has identified that there are more than one text casing which is present, and as you can see here, some of them are capitalized and some of them are in uppercase. Now here what I can do is I can click on the drop down and I can select from the different types of casing options which are available if you do not want to go with the one which is recommended by DataSquirrel. For this column, I most likely want to leave it as it is, so I'm just going to go ahead and select this and move on to the next clean type.